at the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now, you've seen it over the years. Uncle Sam sent for people, right? Extradition request come down. Right? But it's kind of rare for you to say Uncle Sam residents, right? Even if I'm Jamaican, but them live in the Uncle Sam place, it's kind of rare for you to say them a get caught up. Now, things are changed. In case you haven't heard, a Jamaican by the name of Romario Murray, right, get a free plane ticket, a free plane ride to Uncle Sam place. But two American residents also get scraped up by Jamaica. I will tell you about it. Before I'm going further, you Mike's family reach out, right, contact me, right, confirm everything I'm say. Right. They even sent a couple pictures, from the passing off. I'm gonna just post a little small thing on the screen. When I really need to go much further into this because it's settled. Right, I even posted a funeral. Let me even send a video of the funeral, of the moment when you Mikes are going to the grave and confirm everything. Just to make you know, in case you're not on Patreon, you Mikes had a great sending off. Had a lot of support. People know him as the man with the style, the vibes vendor. As I said, he spent his final days as a vendor. He had a stall in front of G&D for years, so all I'm customers and the people them come support him. Right, so he passed away from cancer. So you Mikes, RIP, and we got the family for getting in touch. See? So, make a move into the video. Romario Murray. He met us here come out of the SUV, right, about to board a plane to the United States of America. A free plane ride. But it's not the kind of plane ride where you want to go up and still. You see, the agency will go for him, the United States Postal Inspection Service. Now, enough people don't really know about them. But they are actually a federal agency. The FEDS. When people think about FEDS, they normally think about FBI because FBI is, I would say, the most known out of all of them. Right? But there are others. We have HSI and USPIS. A them send for him, and them come pick him up. Romario Murray, right, says right so, wanted by the USPIS for mail and wire fraud. Indicted for his involvement in defrauding multiple victims of $300,000. Although Romario, Clark's tough still. I mean, you probably won't be wearing Clarks for a while based on how Uncle Sam is known for building them federal cases. In case you're not aware, the feds have a 98% conviction rate. When time the feds go for you, right, that's why the people are infamous for leaking when time they have to deal with the feds. If you talk about state and them little thing there, right, then people get big and brave. But when time man you say the feds come for them, right, the leaking normally start because the feds thing normally wrap up tight, right, before them even come for you. Open this walk one, so. The lifestyle, you look fun, you look cool. But when time, right, it gets spooky, that's where you end up. Right? You end up having to throw on your favorite Clarks and your favorite shirt, right, and going at the back of an American vehicle, up on a runway, jump in an American plane, go up an American style, right, face an American court, and next thing you know you end up in an American prison. Because, of course, as you know, the crimes are committed against US citizens. Now, this time, we are starting to see Americans, right, get hold on in Jamaica. And that me really want to see. Like Uncle Sam get for them one, but Jamaica want for them one too. You see, recently, right, it come out of the news. So 2 foreigners were arrested and charged in relation to the seizure of 21 firearms and over 2,000 rounds of ammunition. They are a 36-year-old Jermaine Baker, right, a quote-unquote chef from Sunrise, Fort Lauderdale, and a 42-year-old Dervan Brown, a quote-unquote construction worker, right, from Bronx, New York. Now, you can understand that these men are actually, Americans, right, but it's safe to say, right, they have some kind of ties to the Jamaica. These are two of the most Jamaican names you'll ever hear. Jermaine Baker and Dervan Brown. Anywhere in the world me dey, when me hear somebody say, you know, say my name Jermaine Baker, the next question me ask is, you come from Jamaica? So, police will lamp on them, right? Them get charged. They're due to appear before the gun court Friday, March 18. They were charged with illegal importation of firearm and ammunition. So, Americans are now getting arrested. People like that one time, right, nothing ever used to happen to them. We only used to see the 87 on the ground, right, get scraped up, because that is the end result. Because remember, the 87, right, the gun stopped there, so, and even go shoot the people in. But how it reached so far? Right. You need whole heap of connections, whole heap of links. It either start from a boat ride to 80, right, or somebody from America send it most of the times. And the people in America who would send things, right, and ship things, and then your favorite customs agent make things slip through. Nothing ever used to happen to them. It's almost like them never exist. Right? You just swear say some of them gonna book a ticket and fly to Jamaica itself. It's like the Glock of a passport. You just swear say the Smith & Wesson have a visa and it does call JetBlue. Yes, I would like to book a ticket to Jamaica. What's my name? First name Sig, last name Sour. Sig Sour. Yes, I want to go to Jamaica. I want to put myself in the hands of a 87. Right, I heard that there's a shooting next week and I want to be a part of it. What's the quickest flight they can give me? Tomorrow? Yes, put me on that one. I said, let me see treat gun thing. Now them start for look on it, right, with a holistic approach. Man that foreigner send it, man that foreigner ship it, right, reach customs, right, all of a sudden them blind, can't see nothing. Right. People come pick up from customs, go deliver on the block. So now we are see a better dismantling, so to speak, of the illegal gun trade in Jamaica. This is just the start, by the way. This is just the start. But when you hear say foreigners that get locked up, that's unusual. I know it's enough money in Florida, New York, and them place there. Now for them right now, bite them fingernail. Right. Because for years them could have seen what them have seen, ship what them have ship, and just lie down in them bed and draw some big snore and draw a bungie. Right. Now when time they hear say, when I get whole lamp on, right, people have to sit up and look. What does this mean? Are they for real this time? Is the Jamaican government actually taking advantage of the relationship they have with America for real this time? Or just a little PR stunt? Or someone are looking? All of your favorite criminals them who are ship things in Jamaica, them a look. Them a look and them a see what go happen here. So. Because the time see man start get sink, right, and more man start get called in and more man start, right, end up behind bars and CTAC launch more operations. I bet enough of them find something else to do with their money. I bet enough of them, right, cancel enough of the shipment with them they have planned. But them a watch case like this. Them a watch case like this because them know say, you know, in Jamaica, let's be honest, right, many of your favorite leaders are known for, you know, putting a little one stunt and take some pictures and do a little press run and, you know, make it look like them a do something. So them a watch it, right. Matter of fact, them a watch it more than you. The man them foreign will send things and the man them will jump on the boat them, right, or organize the boat them to go. Yet them a watch this case, right, more than you. For years, decades, and just send. And nobody now get catch. Man say, well, in New York I live now. You know, CTAC can't touch me also. And I can go a yard go. Even though, right, I may have said enough things the time, by the time I reach yard, I'm going to go up on the block and get treated like a Don and then just go back on the plane and left. Just like that. No. Man, I fly down and then I get whole lamp on. I wonder if one day we're going to see pictures of people in America, you know, American citizens, boarding Air Jamaica flights. Air Jamaica flights. Boarding planes to Jamaica. My JetBlue. And they switch to Jamaica. If you come face court. Just like how we see, right, with Romari Mori. Carried up on the runway, plane the side of it, in 9 clocks. Fresh, on him way, right, to an American courthouse. But when that day I come into where I go start see people on the other side, on the runway, fresh, heading to the gun court. At them time the man I go start wet up them pants. At them time they wanna go see big man start buy huggies. When I go see man that foreign, we say them are done. Man that foreign we say, right, they no business about nothing. Right, cause them have 2-3 police things standing in pocket and business about nothing. When time the plane start get load up with man from foreign who are shipping guns and organized crime and violence producers who live in a foreign. When them man start get shit down, when I go see big man a walk going a Target, a walk going a Walgreens, and I say which part the huggies them there? Right. And people say, oh sorry, you just had a baby. You have a newborn? Him say no. I'm a newborn, for me. Right, for me. This huggies is for me because the JCF and the Jamaican government finally, right, start call up the money that are foreign to help mash up the country. So right now, we need about 3 pack of huggies. Right. Belly a run. Make us see it play out. Very interesting. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Vulture squad, stay circling. Bless.